everyone, long time no see. So today's video is gonna be sponsored by Annabelle hair. I'm gonna give you a mini sort of life update. I have got a proper full video planned where I just talk about the year and stuff, but I want to kind of give an update because I've been gone for so long. But first things first, this video even was sponsored by Annabelle hair. I've worked with them before in the past. I was sent Brazilian straight hair. I'll give you guys a little review. So I was sent 3 bundles, 20/20 18-inch, and then a 16-inch 13x6 frontal. I got this hair made into a wig by Hair by Rugi. You guys know I've been to her a number of times now. If you want to see how she constructs a wig, my last video was all about the process, like clips and everything that you need to know. So if you want to see that more in depth, then definitely check out that video. I'll have all the links to the hair in the description box. So guys, genuinely, I don't have, like, I wish I could pick something bad to say about the hair, but I don't have anything bad to say about the hair. I kind of feel like I'm repeating myself because I've done a review for them already. I've got in 3 bundles, 18, 20, 20, and a 16-inch frontal. So the hair, it straightens well. I haven't curled it, so I don't know if it curls, if it holds a curl well. I can do an update on the hair if you guys want to see. It's a good quality frontal, doesn't shed. Like, I feel like that's the main big thing about hair. Like, does it shed or not? It doesn't shed. Like, I can run my fingers through literally nothing. Not even one strand has come out. Nothing. It's so flowy and silky. Like, no stiff hair around here. In terms of shipping, it came really quickly. It came within a week. I feel like Annabelle is generally respected hairbender. So now that's done, let me just move on to the life update. So obviously I ain't posted on Instagram in over 2 months. Like, my heart breaks. I just filmed this makeup, so this will be up on my Instagram soon, hopefully. And I'm gonna try and film tomorrow before work. It's currently nearly 1 AM, so don't really know how that's gonna work because I need to be up early. I started uni in September, which you guys probably know, and I moved into accommodation. I think I will talk about that in another video. I moved into accommodation, so like how I'm at home, I have my mini studio, that's what I like to call it. Like, my backdrop is like drilled into my ceiling. I got my lights, my camera, and my space. At my accommodation I can film. Like, I tried to film there one time, but the lighting is just not great. The background is grey. Like, it's not my aesthetic, if that's the word. I don't know if that's the word, but I just wasn't feeling it. So like, I just didn't post a video. I haven't posted or nothing. But like I said, I started uni, so I've just been mad busy. Like, uni, I've had assignments and exams, and I'm just like, whoa, like, where did this workload come from? I was already working, but I was working a 0-hour contract job, so I just went like once a month if I needed the extra money. Like, I hardly ever went. But recently I got a new job, start of December. I'm working 4 days a week, and then I have uni twice a week. So I literally have 1 day to myself, and I've had assignments, so it's just been crazy. I'm trying to like adapt to that, if that makes sense. I'm just trying to get better at it, and it's just, I'm tired a lot of the time. I've just been adapting to a lot of changes in my life. Like, this year I was deep, and this year's been really probably the worst year of my life, but I'm just trying to like keep rolling with it and just keep going every day. Just hoping that like within the next 2 weeks I can film a lot, because it's like, this is what I want to do, but this doesn't like guarantee me wages, whereas like where I'm working, like, I know every month or every week I'm gonna get a pay, if that makes sense. This, obviously, I get every month, I get a pay from AdSense, which is helpful, but it's not quit your job kind of money. So I need to be like on my game doing sponsored videos, so I can like have more freedom as well of my time, and hopefully be less stressed, because I've been so stressed because I've just got bare stuff to do all the time. I hope you guys are all well. Any of you that are starting uni or sixth form, let me know how you're finding it, how you're adjusting. Again, all the links to the hair will be in the description box. Thanks Annabelle for sponsoring me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.